Alright guys, so we're in Detroit. We're walking into the American Jewelry and Loan. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so we are inside. Here's the shop. It's real. We made it to Detroit, Michigan. So I'm gonna walk around real quick before they tell me to stop recording. And I'm just walking around just like in a TV show. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna stop filming so before they kick me out. So as you guys saw, it's a real store. It exists, and we just walked around the store. Check out the sign. Buy, sell, pawn. It's beautiful. Alright, it's picture time. Alright, so next stop is going to be Ken Block's house when he was growing up. So let's go check it out.
We should hire a lobbyist.
We're supposed to have a conversation.
In 450 feet, the destination is on your left. 13580 Pinehurst Street.
Over 150,000. That's a lot. But here's the problem.
The destination is on your left. 13580 Pinehurst Street. Arrived.
I'm guessing drug companies get more for their money.
She guessed correctly. Billions in tax breaks while the cost of prescription drugs goes up.
Donald, we made it to the location. We are here at 13580 Pinehurst in Detroit, Michigan. We're here with the fam. Say hi. Hi. We made it. We are now walking into the Ford Museum in Detroit.
Hola.
And there you have it. So we're doing the Ford F-150 tour here at the plant where they make these cars. And they have a Raptor sitting here, so might as well film it. Now, they did say that it's not permitted to film or take pictures once we're inside. So this is just a quick view of the outside of this Raptor. Well, let's take a walk over here and let's go look at the some of the older cars they have in display. Alright, so now we're standing on top of the Ford plant. This is the third floor. This is a sightseeing floor for us, and they allowed me to film here, so I'm walking around here just to show you what I can see from my angle. So we're gonna go out a couple, a few information about the different vehicles they make, but because this used to be actually a Ford Mustang plant, and now it's a Ford F-150 plant. So we're walking around here. You can see the roof of the Ford factory, and we'll keep sightseeing over here. Alright, so now we're gonna continue the tour. So we just finished the tour here at the plant, and they have a few old cars here, so I'm gonna walk around and show you the cars. 1932 Ford V8, look at that thing. Total MSRP $2,600.
Ya salió.
Y sigue dándole, ya salió.
Ahí salió él.
El truck.
Usted.
¿Cuál salió? That's not white. And that's on my truck. Oxford white. There it is. No, it's not white either. Model. Sport package. Cab. Super cab. That's my truck. .325 horsepower, 400 torque, towing, hauling, fuel economy. Ya se acaba el tiempo.
Ah, con tiempo es. Cuidado usted.
Mira, es que
Y eso llevas y le pones en un marco. Es el auténtico Porsche.
finished visiting the plant for the F-150s, and now we're gonna go to the Ford's garage to go eat some food. Apparently, they have some good burgers, is what the security guard said. So we're gonna go check it out. But here outside, you can see some F-150s. Look at that. There's some more over there. But this place is amazing, guys. It's if you haven't been here before, you definitely gotta come in and check it out, because they show you pretty much everything from start to finish. It's really, really neat. But I'll see you at the next video, which is gonna be Ford's garage. So because we're in Ford Town, we're gonna eat at the Ford's garage and check out these cool cars they have out front. It's pretty neat. And I heard they have very good burgers in here, so we're gonna go check it out. Ford's garage, prime burgers, craft beers. Look at this.
Pero viene con sopa.
Uno de uno.
How did everything come out?
Good.
Got 200. After this walk, you got 120. No. After this walk, you got 250. This is 250 after this one.
100% sure.
Yes, after that, it's a big jump down. It's slippery to 120. It's a big jump. It's slippery to 122. Left two. Break it. Break. Left two. Left two. Left two. Left two.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell.